What is entailed in a just resolution process? First, the intent is to assist the complainant, the respondent, and the church in communicating well with one another about harm, accountability, and healing. A trained third-party facilitator guides it. Substantial pre- and post-work may be needed, such as preparing for engagement with appropriate support persons and persons with expertise, as well as following up from an engagement or written agreement with the same. It is entered into voluntarily and involves a written process agreement that outlines the process and parameters of confidentiality. Finally, it is not an administrative or judicial proceeding. Who should be involved in a just resolution process? It matters at what point the complaint is according to disciplinary procedures. When a complaint is first filed, the bishop begins what is called the supervisory response. This supervisory response may take up to 120 days and may include a just resolution process. The process often involves the complainant, the complainant's support person, the respondent and respondent's advocate, along with a person designated by the resident bishop, that is, the church. In my experience, some practices have tended to isolate and consider the complainant and respondent without the voice of the church or members of the wider covenant in a just resolution process. This can have the effect of setting up a binary choice about experience, facts, and a healing path, what is described at times as he said, she said, or he said, or they said, they said. While it is not helpful to involve too many persons, it is important to consider the needs of the community and covenant. As a facilitator, I prefer to ensure that complainants and respondents have someone to accompany and support them. Support persons can be invaluable, not only for their companionship, but also their expertise and ability to speak with honesty and integrity during the process. There are also times when a just resolution process may begin after the complaint has been referred to the counsel for the church as a judicial complaint. It is important to note disciplinary guidance for initiating a just resolution process. What entity has jurisdiction at the time? Because the church is now in the role of pressing a claim, it is important to make extra efforts to keep the original complainant informed and involved in a just resolution process. This was given attention in the 2019 changes to paragraph 362.1 in the Book of Discipline.